The Clarke CRD1100 SDS Plus rotary hammer drill is the perfect power tool for drilling concrete lintels, stone, masonry and brick. In rotary mode, it's great for steel and wood too. The CRD1100 features selectable controls for rotary only, rotary hammer drilling, plus rotation stop, light chiselling and demolition. This heavy-duty power tool delivers first-rate performance at a fantastic price. The 1100-watt motor has a no-load speed of 950 RPM and comes with both an SDS Plus tool holder system and a 13mm 3-jaw chuck for total versatility. The CRD1100 can drill 28mm diameter in concrete, 13mm in steel, and a massive 40mm in wood. It comes supplied in a tough molded storage carry case with 3 assorted SDS Plus drill bits and 2 SDS Plus chisel bits. The Clarke CHT579 17-piece SDS Plus drill bit and chisel set makes an ideal companion accessory set for this powerful drill and is available from your Clarke stockist. The Clarke CRD1100 SDS Plus rotary hammer drill will give you many years of sturdy service.